Smooth waxing. Select the right wax. Choose hard wax for sensitive areas like the bikini line. It sticks to the hair, not the skin, reducing pain and irritation. Pre-wax exfoliation. Gently exfoliate 24 hours before waxing using a scrub made of sugar and coconut oil to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs. Trim hair to optimal length. Ensure hair is about a 1/4 inch long. Too short, and the wax won't grip. Too long, and it will hurt more. Clean the area thoroughly. Use a mild soap to cleanse the skin and remove oil, sweat, or product residue that could interfere with waxing. Pat skin dry. Any moisture can cause the wax to slip. Use a towel or dust a small amount of cornstarch to absorb dampness. DIY waxing equipment hacks. Use reusable fabric strips. Cut an old cotton t-shirt into strips. These work just as well as store-bought ones and are eco-friendly. Make your own sugar wax. Combine 2 cups sugar, a 1/4 cup lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup water. Then heat until golden brown. Invest in a wax warmer. A wax warmer ensures consistent heat, preventing burns and making the process smoother. Techniques for better results. Warm wax gradually. Melt the wax to a honey-like consistency. Test it on your wrist to ensure it's not too hot. Apply in small patches. Work in sections no larger than 2 inches wide to maintain control and avoid uneven application. Follow the direction of hair growth. Spread the wax in the same direction your hair grows to improve adhesion and reduce pain. Stretch the skin while applying wax. This ensures the wax adheres evenly, particularly on curved areas. Wax strategies for minimal pain. Pull against hair growth. Remove the strip or wax against the direction of hair growth for effective removal. Keep the skin taut. Hold the skin tightly to avoid pulling on it, which can reduce pain and prevent bruising. Pull quickly. A quick removal is less painful and more effective than a slow tug. Avoid double waxing. Never reapply wax to the same spot in one session. It can irritate and damage the skin. Pain management. Apply ice before and after. Ice numbs the area pre-wax and soothes it post-wax, reducing redness and discomfort. Use a skin numbing cream. Apply a numbing cream 30 minutes before waxing to reduce pain for sensitive skin. Breathe deeply and relax. Exhale sharply when pulling the wax. It helps you stay calm and reduces perceived pain. Smooth, healthy skin. Soothe with aloe vera gel. After waxing, apply pure aloe vera gel to calm inflammation and hydrate the skin. Avoid heat and friction. Skip hot showers, workouts, or tight clothing for 24 hours to prevent irritation. Prevent ingrown hairs. Exfoliate the area 2-3 days after waxing using a gentle scrub or loofah to keep pores clear. Moisturize daily. Hydrate the skin with a light, unscented lotion or natural oil like jojoba or coconut oil. Wax regularly. Schedule your waxing every 4-6 weeks. Over time, hair grows back finer and removal becomes easier. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.